Hi, I'm Sherry. In this online tutorial, we'll look at the various debt collection tools that you can access through your CreditorWatch account. You can access these basic templates by clicking here. The first link is the Best Practices Guide. This outlines some simple tips to follow whenever you're dealing with debtors. The second link is the CreditorWatch membership logo. You can download the logo and add this to your invoices, statements, fine and demand letters, and anywhere else you might think might be worthwhile. The membership logo is a powerful tool to encourage your customers to pay their bills on time. The reminder notice is a friendly reminder template that you can send to your customers when their invoices are overdue. It outlines exactly what needs to be paid and when it is due. By also promoting you're a CreditorWatch customer, it's a gentle way to push your customers to pay their bills. The final notice template is more forceful and should be used when debts are starting to get well beyond the due date. It indicates that you'll be registering a payment default with CreditorWatch and outlines the ramifications of this. More often than not, a debtor will either pay or make contact to organize a payment plan on the back of receiving one of these templates. If you still get no response, then you should be registering a payment default against them. The next item is a video tutorial that outlines exactly how to register a payment default. While the final link is a guideline on payment defaults, which will indicate when you can or can't register a payment default. As always, we're here to help. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please call or email us. Thank you for watching this online tutorial.